computer is considered by many as the most important and useful technology ever created. It made our lives easier as it paved way for the advancement of society. From snail mails to electronic mails, from manual payment to online transactions, and even self-driving cars. There's a significant amount of changes that occurred through the years. So, computers are everywhere. But what is a computer? A computer is an electronic device operating under the control of instructions stored in its own memory. Computers have what they call information processing cycle, wherein the data, or what we call input, will be collected and go through a process so that it will have an output. A computer has many mechanical and electronic components that are called hardware, one of which is an input device that allows you to enter data and instructions into a computer. An output device, a hardware component that displays information to one or more people. A system unit is a case that contains the electronic components of a computer that are used to process data. A storage device is the one that records or retrieves items to and from a storage media. While a communication device enables a computer to send and receive data, instructions, information to and from one or more computers or mobile devices. As with all things in life, using a computer has advantages and disadvantages. Here are some of the advantages and disadvantages of using a computer. For advantages: speed, reliability, consistency, storage, and communications. As for the disadvantages: health risk, violation of privacy, public safety, impact on labor force, and impact on environment. What is a network? It is a collection of computers and devices connected together, often wirelessly via communication devices and transmission media. The Internet, on the other hand, is a worldwide collection of networks that connects millions of businesses, government agencies, educational institutions, and individuals. With these two combined, people are able to maximize their use of computers as they can use it in a variety of reasons such as to communicate, research and access information, shop online, bank and invest, entertainment, and many more. One example of a network that uses the internet is a social networking website. It encourages members to share their interests, ideas, stories, photos, music, and videos with other registered users. There are two types of software, and these are system and application software. System software are those programs that are designed to manage the computer itself, such as the operating system and utility programs. Operating system is a software that supports a computer's basic functions like scheduling tasks and executing applications, while utility programs are those who carry out a routine function such as an antivirus software. Application software are programs that are designed to perform a group of coordinated functions, tasks, or activities for the benefit of the user. Examples of it are internet browsers, media players, and word processors. Installing is an act of setting up the software to work with a computer, printer, or other hardware. A personal computer is one of many types of computer that can perform all of its input, output, processing, and storage activities by itself. Two examples that we are all familiar with are the PC and the Mac. Mobile computers are the ones that you can carry from place to place. An example of these are your notebook computers and laptop computers. Mobile devices are computing devices that are small enough to hold in your hand. These include smartphones, PDAs, and digital cameras. Another type of computer is the most ever popular and most entertaining are the game consoles. These are your Xbox and PlayStations. They are designed to play the games that we love in either single player or multiplayer. Now that we have mentioned multiplayer, a multiplayer won't be available without a server. A server controls access to the hardware, software, and other resources on a network. It provides centralized storage area for programs, data, and information. So if you ever experience suddenly getting disconnected from a game, that's because the servers went down. Mainframes are large, expensive, powerful computers that can handle the hundreds of thousands of connected users simultaneously. While a supercomputer is the fastest, most powerful computer, hence the name, it is capable of processing more than 1 quadrillion instructions in a single second. A prominent example of it is the Jaguar supercomputer, which is owned by the US Department of Energy and is located on Tennessee. The computer is used for large-scale scientific simulations of climate change and new energy technology development. On a smaller scale, embedded computers are special-purpose computer that functions as a component or part of a larger product, just like a GPS inside a car.